Electric mobility company Fuell announced that it is now accepting orders for the Fuell Fllow, its contemporary take on an urban e-commuter with electric powertrain constraints. The electric motorcycle was designed by Erik Buell, the founder, CTO, and former chairman of Buell Motorcycle Company. Buell is a world-renowned inventor and engineer with experience in motorcycle development, industrialization, sourcing, and manufacturing. Fuell's vision for the Fllow was to, quote, put freedom, technology, and emotion back into urban travel. To accomplish this vision, Fuell sought to reinvent a comfortable ride with powerful acceleration in an urban environment with pollution constraints. According to Fuell, the Fllow has luggage capacity and practicality of a large scooter, but appears and handles more like a mid-sized motorcycle. Electrical features include a patent-pending axially integrated transverse flux motor integrated into the rear wheel, a battery pack integrated into the chassis, and the ability to update battery packs for new technologies. According to Fuell, the wheel motor removes secondary transmission but maintains power and keeps weight at an acceptable level. The bike's chassis features lightweight alloy castings including magnesium, integrated chassis and powertrain management, a patent-pending advanced braking system, and patent-pending powertrain integration that optimizes chassis handling and power flow. Safety features include collision warning, blind spot detection, and active road navigation. Fllow weighs 400 pounds and its wheelbase measures 1,370 millimeters. It can reach 85 miles per hour with an urban range of 150 miles and a battery capacity of 10 kilowatt hours. Fllow is capable of highway use, but Fuell said it is not intended to replace a gas-powered touring motorcycle. Users can charge the motorcycle in about 30 minutes with a DC fast charger. Other charging options include wall outlets and home chargers, which take about 8 and 2 hours respectively. Fllow is available for order at about $10,500 with prices subjected to change. I'm Nolan Beilstein, and this is Manufacturing Now.